Hi, welcome back to my another Discord tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to set up server state bot like this for Discord. Okay, before I get into the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell notification button so you can get notified. Okay, so today I will show you guys how to set up this like all members 34 member 25 and bots. Okay, now let's jump to the tutorial. Open your any preferred browsers. Okay, and then search server state, or you can click the link in the description. I'll place it in the descriptions. Okay, so now proceed to invite. Okay, so now select which server you wish your this server state bot to go your server, but make sure you are the administrators or admins or the moderators, so I have the right to modify the servers. Okay, so now you're in. Okay, so select one of the channel you wanted. Okay, and then press continue. Okay, so this basic is not to change. Okay, if you want to change also can, but no. Okay, so you make sure you can make give him send message, read message, next channel, so he can change the value. So make sure this is on. So don't change any value at here. It's not so recommend, and then authorize. Okay, so now this is going to confirm you're not a robot. Get traffic lights. Okay, bicycles, no. Okay, so now we have finished the captcha. Okay, so now now it's authorized. The robot is authorized. So now just wait. Okay, so now test channel. Okay, just wait. Okay, now the bot are coming. Okay, so now you can proceed to set up. If you don't know how to set up, you can use this s/help. But today I'm gonna use step by step, so no need to worry. Okay, just for reference. Okay, so like this. Okay, so now we set up for the. Okay, so we trap this s/setup. Press this. Okay. Which type of channel do you want to use as a counter? Voice, test, or channel to cancel the command? Maybe use voice. Okay, so now you see that the server have been changed. Okay, so now make sure to see the permissions. Okay, so only this can manage channels. Everyone cannot connect or accept the owner, or depends on the owner wants give the administrator the right to change. I don't think it's needed. So okay, after this, okay, you still can see others things. You can see the server info, the bot info. Okay, so this is all your server set like this. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my video. Stay tuned for more Discord tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems or question, feel free to leave a comment below. I will reply as soon as possible.